In this video, we are going to set Modbus ID and baud rate in the generic sensors which we would have purchased with RS485 output. For sample, we are going to take one Pyra sensor over here which is having Modbus RS485 output. Over here, you can see there are 4 pins, 2 for input power and 2 for reading the Modbus output. You can see we have already powered on the sensor and we have connected one USB to RS485 cable on the Modbus output. Now I want to connect this on my laptop and then use this for reading it on a ModScan software. Over here you can see in my device manager I am able to see the USB to serial converter is connected on COM5. Now I am going to open ModScan software over here. In ModScan software, I am to now set up connection on the COM5. The default settings are a baud rate of 9600, word length of 8, parity none, and stop bit of 1. Now I am going to open a new file. In this, I am now going to read the data on device ID 1 with function code 03, and I am going to keep the start address as 1 and length as 7. You can keep any length depending on the sensor you have purchased. Over here, we are now able to see that we have started communicating with this sensor. Now for changing the Modbus ID, I am going to start reading from address 31 and going to read a length of 5. Over here you can see now on 40031 the reading is coming as 0. Now the 4033 is the ID of this sensor, which is 1, and the 40034 is the baud rate, where the reading of 1 means 9600, reading of 2 means 19200, and subsequently the other numbers, and the 40035 is the parity, which is right now 8 and 1. So now for changing this, we have to first enter the password on 40031. The password for changing these settings is 79. So now we need to write 79 over here, update. You can see that as soon as I enter the password on 40031, a counter of 2 minutes starts on 40032. So now you have 120 seconds to make the setting changes and also confirm the changes. So now I'm going to change the ID of this box to 15 and then see if it starts reading on 15. So for that I need to write the ID settings on 40033. So now I'm going to write 15 over here to change the Modbus ID of this box. Once I have done these changes, I need to save that by entering 80 over here. So now I'm going to write 80 over here so that I can confirm these settings and update this on the signal conditioner box. As soon as I done this, it will stop communicating. If we now start reading the sensor on ID number 15, you can see it will start giving us the response. Over here you can see that the Modbus ID has got changed to 15 and the baud rate remains same as 9600, which is represented by 1 on 40034. Similarly, you can set any ID or baud rate or parity on this box and use it as per your requirements.